Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to import PowerPoints and PDFs into our Impress presentation system. And as you can see, I'm already in the 2D Impress editor where a presentation is opened with just one stage that says Welcome. This welcome text is a normal element that can be moved around. In addition to that, I already created a PowerPoint presentation in advance that you can see here. This presentation contains one welcome slide, followed by 3 content slides and 1 ending slide. First of all, we need to export this PowerPoint as a PDF. So we go under the File settings to the Export section to export this PowerPoint as a PDF. I am selecting the desktop as the location to save this file to, and I leave the file name as the default welcome.pdf. Now that the PowerPoint presentation is converted to a PDF document, we can start the import in our 2D editor. Here I can start the import dialog either via the menu Import PDF or via the command Ctrl+I for import. As you can see, a standard import dialog pops up where I can select the PDF file that I would like to import, which is located on my desktop with the name welcome.pdf. As you can see, there are some advanced settings, but let me first of all show you the simple import. This loads all slides from the PDF and adds them as a background image to either existing or newly created stages. Therefore, we end up with 5 stages in total in this example. You can see that the welcome text is still in front of the background image, so this newly imported background slide here can be also moved around and removed as it is just a background image to the already existing slide. But in order to show you the advanced import settings, I would like to remove all the imported slides and open up the import dialog again. So first of all, I have to again select the PDF that we would like to import. Once I have selected the file, I can then open the advanced settings by clicking on this blue text here. Here I can then enable the settings to use my individually created mapping from PDF pages into the Impress presentation stages. With the first parameter here, I can define the first PDF page that should be considered for the import. Let's imagine we are only interested in importing the content slides. Then we would only need to import slide number 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, I set the first parameter to be 2. With the second parameter, I can specify the last PDF page to import, which is then number 4. The last parameter here specifies the Impress presentation stage that is intended to contain the first imported PDF page. Let's set this value in this case to 2 to start the import right behind our already existing welcome page. Then, starting the import with these settings, you can see that the result is the way we wanted it to be, so we only imported the 3 content slides here. After the import, we can continue using the 2D editor as usual by, for example, adding text to a newly created stage or something like this. So as you can see, the PDF import feature allows you to very quickly integrate existing PowerPoint presentations into a new Impress presentation.